Kedarnath temple is Hindu temple which is dedicated to Lord Shiva. This temple is present at height of 11,755 feet and located at Garhwal Himalaya range near the Mandakini river Kedarnath. Kedarnath word is derived from Sanskrit word Kedara, which means the Lord of the field. According to the Hindu sculptures, this temple was initially built by Pandavas. However, it is not clearly known who built the Kedarnath temple and when the temple was built. But according to research, it is found that for more than 400 years, the temple is buried under the snow. It is believed that Pandavas has pleased Shiva by doing penance in Kedarnath. Pandava brothers have come to the Kedarnath temple after the war of Kurukshetra. They go there by the advice of Vyasa because they wanted to seek forgiveness for killing their kin during the war. But Lord Shiva doesn't forgive them and converted himself into the bull. Pandava brothers managed to track him, and then Lord Shiva tried to disappear himself by sinking. But one of the Pandava brothers grabbed his tail and requested Lord Shiva to appear to forgive them. Later on, the Pandava brothers built the first temple at Kedarnath. The other portions of the Shiva body appeared at the other 4 locations, and later on, all these 5 places are known as Kedaras. The Skanda Puran gives the earliest reference of Kedarnath. The Skanda Puran contains the origin of the Ganga river. It is also known that Kedarnath is the place where Lord Shiva released the holy water from his mated hair. According to hagiographies, the 8th century philosopher Adi Shankara died at this place. However, some hagiographies deny this fact and say that he has died in Kanchi. The Kedarnath temple is built with heavy, large and evenly cut grey slabs of stones. The inside image of the temple is in the form of lingam, which is of an irregular shape with a pedestal of 12 feet. However, this lingam is considered worship as Lord is present in the Sadashiva form. This lingam makes it unique from all the other temples of Shiva shrines. In 2013, there was a flash flood in Kedarnath, due to which the surrounding area of temple suffered from extensive damage, but the temple does not get any major damage. So this incident also shows the power of this temple. Due to this incident, the faith of people increased very much in this temple. Kedarnath temple is closed on the first day of Kartik and open for public in the month of April and May. At this time, the air reappears to echo with the name of Lord Shiva. Moreover, this temple is not directly accessible by the road, so to reach this temple, one has to take a 22 kilometers uphill track from Gaurikund. So at last, we can say that Kedarnath temple had stood the test of the time.